Morning guys, today we are going to be working on a MacBook Air. As you can see, it has a damaged screen. Customer states that they just touched it here with something metal and that was all it took to damage the screen. So we're going to be replacing the whole top assembly, screen included. Obviously it's very difficult for third-party repairers to get original parts, so we're going to be replacing it with a third-party screen. Should do the job for what the customer needs. Let's get going. So the first thing we have to do is take the back cover off. Just remove the screws. I've already done that. Pop that off. Whenever you're working on, especially anything to do with the screen, first thing you do is disconnect the battery. So we have a number of things. We have the screws for the main hinges, the screws which hold the protection bar in, and also a little cover for the actual cable itself. So we have to remove all of those. We've also got to do the protection thing for the Wi-Fi card. So I've replaced the screen. You can see that it's working good. It's not an original Retina display, but for what the customer uses the laptop for, it'll be perfect. And we don't have all the broken lines across the back. Basically just did the reverse of what I did to take the old screen off, connected everything back in, and there it is. The customer should be happy now. Thanks for watching.